Martin?
Merton.
Whatever. It's gonna be.
Don't get me wrong, I've always been a strong quarterback, but this was different.
Dawkins, you keep chucking tomahawks like that, we're not gonna have any receivers left for you to throw to, buddy.
You know, I don't know what it is, Coach. I just, I feel really strong today, you know?
Well, we all knew it was coming. Now it's official. Dawkins, you're our new captain. Congratulations.
Thanks, Coach.
Thanks a lot, Coach. Thank you. Thanks, Coach.
Well, well, Dawkins, Thomas. Looks like I'm onto your secret. This little item is in violation of the locker accessories code, which I'm currently trying to pass. What's with your hands?
I like to keep them warm after practice.
I was the same way when I played for the Packers.
You play for the Green Bay Packers?
Meat Packers. Softball team. I played third. String. I've got my eye on you, Dawkins. My real one. Oh, God.
If the gate to the park isn't chained off and the Bradfords keep their Rottweiler inside, I can usually run home from school in 8 minutes. Today, I made it in 56 seconds. There was something weird going on. I just didn't know how weird. I guess it's normal to be a high school kid with uncontrollable urges, but I'm not so sure it's normal to have those urges for chicken.
And the drumstick, right. You can give me a couple of those thighs right there. Oh, and another breast. Give me another breast, yeah, please. No, maybe you could just give me a couple whole chickens, please. Really, thanks. Ooh, yeah, this looks. Yeah. You know, I don't like to practice on an empty stomach.
Save a little appetite for Saturday night, Captain.
Yes! Dawn got into the Konganator.
Now, maybe I was just nervous about things with Stacy, but suddenly I started to feel weird. I mean, weird. And then I remembered what that Merton guy had said. That's when things got out of control.
Nice glasses. Where'd you get them?